Good morning, mathematicians. We are going to look at this order of operation question. This order of operation question has more steps than the previous video. We see a number of different grouping symbols. So first of all, I always want to go back to PEMDAS, and I want to analyze and think, which of these steps do I see? Well, I see parentheses. In fact, I also see brackets and braces. I see the three different types of grouping symbol. I don't see any exponents. I do see multiplication. I scan to look and see if I see any division. No division. I do see addition, and I do see subtraction. So right away, I can look and see where I should begin. I should begin with my parentheses because parentheses say do me first. However, I see a set of parentheses here, and I see a set of parentheses here. When I have things in my problem of equal importance, like two sets of parentheses, I solve them from left to right. Therefore, I will do this parenthesis first because it is on the left. I know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now in this problem, this is going to be a good test of how well we can follow that direction to rewrite everything that I have not worked with. In this problem, we can see there's quite a lot that we'll need to rewrite, but don't skip this step. It's very important because this will help us to not forget parts of the problem and not make any little errors. I am rewriting my grouping symbols of my brackets as well as my braces, but these parentheses I can make disappear because I've solved everything inside of them. I'm still in my P for parentheses step, and I still have that first grouping symbol. I still have parentheses. Here I know that 23 take away 18 gives me a difference of 5. I've solved everything inside this parenthesis, so I can simply bring down everything else. Once again, there's a lot to bring down, but do not skip this step, boys and girls, because by rewriting, I'm giving my brain the chance to think, what has the next highest importance? Make sure you've rewritten everything else. Notice we're slowly simplifying the problem as we evaluate it and bring down everything else. I now have solved all of my parentheses, and I'm ready to go on to my brackets. Brackets say do me second. I have two sets of brackets, so again, I will do what is on the left first. 2 times 8 gives me 16. Now I'll bring down everything else. I can make my brackets disappear because I've solved everything within that first bracket. Everything else I just brought down, including those grouping symbols. I'm still within the brackets. 5 times 5 gives me 25. Now, I've solved everything within this bracket, so I can make that bracket disappear. I can bring down my braces as well as my addition symbol. I'm still, even now, still within that P parentheses step because I've not left just working with grouping symbols. So here I am, still working with grouping symbols. I have 16, take away 9, gives me 7. I'm going to bring down my 25. And here for my very last step, I have 7 plus 25, and I finally get my answer of 32.